What would you say if I told you I can give you back an hour a day? And no, I don't mean by making you skip lunch or working faster. I mean ending your day with an empty inbox, not being controlled by your email, but still never missing a deadline, a follow-up, or an action. Across more than 50 offices worldwide, we've seen the same pattern again and again. The average office worker loses up to 40% of their time simply because they were never taught how to manage their workload. People are overwhelmed by what we call the productivity pirates. You know the ones: email overload, constant interruptions, unproductive meetings, constantly reactive, missing deadlines, and more. That's where Working Smart with Microsoft Outlook comes in. It's not just an Outlook course, it's a behavior shift. We teach you the Working Smart behaviors, like prioritizing based on outcomes, planning realistically, managing your day from your calendar and not your inbox, staying focused in a world full of interruptions, following up on work you delegated, and more. And we don't just leave you after the workshop, we follow up with a one-on-one coaching session to personalize it to your role, your challenges, your goals, and your pace. Time is one of your most expensive resources. Make the most of it by working smart, because there really is a better way to work. And it starts with one conversation. Contact us today and we can schedule a 30-minute briefing to show you more.